Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a versatile and popular programming language widely used by software testers for test automation, scripting, and data analysis. Functions are a fundamental concept in Python that allow you to encapsulate a block of code that can be reused and called multiple times. Here's a tutorial on how to define and use functions in Python for software testing. 1. Defining a function asterisk. To define a function in Python, you use the def keyword followed by the function name and parameters within parentheses. You can also specify a return value using the return keyword. 2. Calling a function asterisk. To call a function in Python, you simply write the function name followed by parentheses and any required arguments. 3. Default parameters asterisk. You can specify default parameter values for a function in Python. This allows you to call the function without providing all arguments. 4. Multiple return values asterisk. Python functions can return multiple values as a tuple. You can then unpack these values when calling the function. 5. Using functions in testing asterisk. Functions are commonly used in test automation to encapsulate test steps or reusable actions. For example, a function to log into a website could be defined as follows. By understanding and utilizing functions in Python, software testers can write more organized, maintainable, and efficient test automation scripts.